Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and in this video it's going to be a tutorial on this cute half up half down sew-in, so stay tuned. So I've been seeing this hairstyle all over the gram and decided I wanted to try it out on my friend. So I'm going to go ahead and part her hair from ear to ear because we are going to braid down the back and sew in some tracks. So what you see me doing now is just putting away the top section, and then I am going to be working with the back. So at the back I did 6 braids going straight back, but they were curved from the middle of her head. And I also like to connect my braids, just in case you guys are wondering. I connect them so I have like a one end to fold up. So once the back is braided down, I am gonna go ahead and start sewing in the wefts. You can also, a lot of people do it as quick weaves as well, or you can also use your clip-ins and just clip them in. Any way that works for you, you can do, but in this video I am doing a sew-in. So you want to just go ahead, start from the bottom and work your way all the way to the top with the tracks until all the braids are covered. Now that I finished sewing the back, I am just going to put it in a ponytail, put that away, and I'm going to start working with the top portion. So because we are going to be doing a sleek, nice ponytail, I went ahead and flat ironed her hair. So you want to make sure the hair is really straight, and then I will be adding in 3 small braids. So I'll be braiding 1 in the middle and 1 on each side of her head. I think I went too quick there, guys. Let's not forget the piece that you want to leave out to cover her tracks as well. So you seen that I made that little part, and I also decided to leave out some on the sides of her hair, so it kind of goes in a little, it's like a big U shape, as you can see. So that side is going to be left out, and also the hair to cover the track. And now I'm going to go ahead and do the braids. I like to make a middle part just to make sure it is even on both ends. So I'll take a small piece from one side, a small piece from the next side, and then make that into one braid just to make sure that it's right in the middle. So I am going to now slick up the two sections. So I'm going in with my got2b free spray, and also I combed out the baby hairs first, guys. So I'm going in with my got2b free spray. I am going to comb that through, make sure it is nice and smooth. You want to make sure that the hair is not covering the part, so it looks really neat. So you're gonna hold it as if you're putting it into a ponytail so it stays, and then you're gonna blow dry it. And that's how you make the ponytail. So once that's done, I just use my hair tie, and I'm just going to catch that in one. And then her ponytail is going to be an invisible ponytail, so we're just going to use some braiding hair and braid her ponytail, use an elastic band at the end. Guys, I have so many ponytail videos, so go ahead, check those out. But yeah, we're gonna do this very quickly. So once that's done, I'm just going to sew her ponytail onto this braid. So once I finish doing the ponytail, I'm just taking a piece from the back and I'm using that as my wrap. So you're gonna go ahead and wrap around that piece of weft so it is covered. It makes it look so much better. I hope no one's not covering it at this point, but you can just use your got2b free spray to hold it, and then use your blow dryer just to dry it to make sure that it stays in place and doesn't move. So this is how it is looking so far, super cute. So we're gonna go ahead and straighten the hair now. Now that I finished flattening her hair, I'm gonna go ahead and curl her edges with my mini flat iron and then use my ebon edge control to style them. So her hair is basically done at this point. I just decided to go in with a bobby pin and just pin that side piece of her hair back into the braids just for minimal leave out. But then I went in with my shine spray and my olive oil spray, and that was it. So this is how her hairstyle is looking. It was a super cute half up half down with these small braids. Comment down below, let me know how you guys feel about this hairstyle, if you guys have tried it before. It was definitely my first time trying it and I really liked it. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.